Imagine waking up and your AI assistant already knows how you like your coffee. It's not science fiction, it's happening now. Artificial intelligence is no longer a concept of the future. It's shaping our world today. From self-driving cars to chatbots that talk like humans, AI is revolutionizing every industry. But how does it work? AI is like a brain for machines, allowing them to think, learn, and make decisions, just like humans. But here's the secret. AI alone isn't enough. It needs machine learning. Machine learning is the reason AI gets smarter over time. It processes massive amounts of data, finds patterns, and improves itself, just like a student learning from experience. Every time you use Google search, every time Netflix recommends a show you'll love, every time your phone unlocks with facial recognition, that's AI and ML working together. And businesses? They're using AI to automate tasks, analyze trends, and even predict customer behavior before it happens. But this is just the beginning. AI is evolving, and soon it will make decisions we can't even imagine today. Want to stay ahead of the AI revolution? Then don't miss what's coming next. Visit our YouTube channel, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for the latest updates on the future of technology. Because the future isn't waiting, and neither should you.